Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, well, you can't really see it, but I am rolling. I am rolling silage ground at the minute. The grass is very strong. It's maybe a bit too strong for rolling, but we want to get it done. It hadn't been done, and we had both the rollers are broken. I'm actually only using the 8-foot roller at the minute. We have an 8 and a 10-foot, but the 10-foot we're waiting on a new bearing to come for it. One of the bearings at 10 is gone, just a big wooden, it's literally just a big wooden block with a hole in it. And we're just waiting on one of them to come so we can use it. So, go to me while you do all of this. There's 33 acres in this field. As you may notice, I'm on the first round, but I'm keeping well away from that side of me, because that side is the canal, the drain is that side, and it can be quite wet. And the last thing I want to do is get stuck. So that's the last thing I want to do. There's actually a couple of tracks there. Wouldn't be the best. But what I'll do is I'll start, when I go around it, I might go that way into it. Just press the waters just to keep going, so I try and get as much as I can done without getting stuck. So that's what I do, is get stuck. And you may have also noticed the pup here, Bertie. He's with me at the minute because at the minute my cousins are building a flat for me and my girlfriend to move into, and I can't have him at home wandering around under their feet, so I have to keep him with me for the foreseeable future. So you've probably seen the pup in a couple of other last couple of videos wandering around at my feet. So that's why I have the dog with me. In regards to silage, we will be, the first bit of stuff we have to cut will be ready in about 2 weeks time. We have some RVP. I can't remember the abbreviation of RVP. It's Italian ryegrass. It's that real fast growing, high yielding grass. We reseeded some tillage ground into that, so that is ready to, it's pretty much ready to cut. We hope to cut it in about 2 weeks time or a week's time if we get our equipment ready. We still have nothing ready for the silly season. Also we have a bit we have about 25 acres, about 18 acres I think in that of RVP to cut, and then we have about 25 acres of pit silage to do for ourselves on a bit of land we took. There was grass that was just too strong, and there was nothing we could do with it, and we couldn't put cattle, it was too strong, so it's pretty much fit to cut. It is, we just have to wait for the nitrogen to go out with, and then we'll be putting it into the pit. Probably something that isn't going to be exactly desirable for us is that we'll be probably end up putting our silage very higgledy-piggledy would be the best way to put it. We'll be doing a bit now and doing a bit again and doing a bit later. It will be a bit, I can see it being very higgledy-piggledy. We've more for the fall. I think I'll make a house now, I'll post this stuff down here. I may gather it up. I tell you what, I'll just go around and keep chatting. I'll do that on the next round also. You've probably already seen by now a couple of little shots as usual, and hopefully I have the chainsaw to chop up a few bits that will be in there as well. So I hope you enjoy that end of the video. So I'll do that on the next round. I'll go on the inside round and I'll try and gather all that up. And just to leave it tidy, there was a lot of sticks that fallen down for the winter. Then a couple of storms and that, there's a good lot of sticks that come down, all that will have to be tidied up and put back in to the hedge. So it's a bit of work, and it's going to take me a while. It's going to take me a long time to get this field done. Normally, as I said, we'd have the 2 rollers, the 8-foot and the 10-foot, so you'd be covering 18-foot at a time. But the 10-foot we're waiting on bearings, the big wooden block bearings at the either end for it, and we can't use it to move that done, or we'll wear everything out of it. So I'm just using 8-foot now, so it's going to take me a while to get all this done. So for anything else, silage, yeah, we'd be expecting now. We've not ready for silage, but hopefully now we'll get head ready within the next week. We'll get the mowers ready and the baler ready, and might get the jag sorted as well, do the usual yearly maintenance on it, and then we have to start getting the tractors ready getting the oil changed, getting them spruced up. As you might see in this, the cab is a bit on the dirty side. The windows are a bit dirty, it's very dusty. My uncle was doing harrowing with it earlier in the year, and geez, that's a very dusty. He, no matter what we tell him, keep the windows closed, he just has to keep the windows up. He gets sick of telling him to close the windows, but he always leaves them open. It is a bit of a problem for the tractors, but look, there's not a whole lot we can do about it. The last time we went harrowing, I took the 2 dampeners off the window, so he couldn't open the window. That's it. There's nice grass out here. It's probably a bit too strong for rolling, but I should come back up all right. This won't be cut till the end of the month at least, maybe a bit after it. So I'm in the 6270 at the minute with the front links. Normally we'd use the 3075. It's a smaller tractor, just a nicer tractor for doing the rolling. But at the minute, the 3075 has the old umbilical tyres on it, so it's 800 tyres on it. And my father is using it to put out the fertiliser. Some of our ground is still very wet, especially the bottoms. And he's using it to put out fertiliser and travelling 100% with the 3-ton spreader. Now he's not putting the full 3-ton in it, he's putting in anywhere from a 1.5 to 2 ton in it. But yeah, that's what that's being used for. So I'm in the 6270, just tipping along at about 5 miles an hour with a very squeaky chair, as you can probably hear. Hope you can hear me fairly well. So I think that's really it. I don't think I have much else to say. Silage will soon be upon us and soon have them videos coming up. Yeah, I don't think I've anything else to say, so please go get yourself a cap. Always wearing the caps nowadays. You can go over to eBay, and the link will be in the description down below, and get yourself a cap or a beanie, whatever you want. It's great weather now for caps. We're going into the summer. Get a nice big cap, baseball cap. So I think I'm going to leave it at that now. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below. Please hit that like button. I'm very thankful for all the support, and also thank you to everyone for all the support recently. I'm just after hitting the 5,000 subscriber mark, which I'm delighted to get this far, and hopefully we'll keep going on into the future and keep growing. And thanks for all the support and all the views and watches. It's very much appreciated. That is it from me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.